Hi friends, I am Kalaivani, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Pharmacy and Health Science. So today we are going to discuss about the topic pest control, pest and pest control. So pest is an organism that causes epidemic disease associated with high mortality. Hence, pests are very harmful to man physically and to his grown crop, causing economic losses. So there are many types of pests, and different types of pests infecting the medicinal plants or usually fungi and viruses. This is Ascochyta, Atropiae, TMV, etc. And insects, flying moths, larvae, etc. Crawling beetles, weevils, cockroaches, rodents like mice, then rats, birds like pigeons, crows, starling, and other mammals like monkeys, rabbits, geese, pigs, and etc. So what are the pest controlling methods are there? So coming to the methods of pest control, we are having mechanical methods, agriculture methods, chemical methods, and biological control methods. So mechanical methods is nothing but it employs manual labor along with different devices for collection and destruction of the pest. That is, we can't completely erode the pest, but we can control it. The examples of the mechanical methods include hand picking to remove the insects, pruning, burning, and trapping of pests. What is hand picking? Hand picking methods is nothing but the affected parts of the plants will be taken with our own hand, and pruning is nothing but a device known as prune. We used to cut it down the affected parts, and burning, the plant which was affected will be burnt safely without affecting the plants, without the pest. And next one is trapping of pests. Trapping of pests, we are having many devices like lights attracting the plants, and the oil papers which will be hang over the field to attract the pests, or the nets which are used to trap the pest controls. And coming to the agriculture method, this agriculture method is control of plowing the field. That is, agricultural control is plowing, which should be sufficiently deep so as to eradicate the weeds as well as early stages of insects. And second one is by crop rotation. It also covers advanced plant breeding techniques capable of including genetic manipulation and resulting in production hybrid varieties which are resistant to fungal and bacterial attack. Crop rotation, we all know that is this time for this season, if they are putting banana, and for the next season they will be used for the plow for the sugarcane production, like that. This is called as crop rotation. And advanced techniques, we all know this, that is by tissue culture, resistance towards the pest, the plant seeds will be produced like that. These are the advanced techniques. And coming to the biological control of the pests, this method is practiced by combating the pests, mostly the insects, with other living organisms. Usually this method properly designed, and it may emerge as an effective, safe, and economical method of pest control. The chemical substance produced and released by some female insects are capable to eliciting a sexual response from the opposite sex, which could be exploited for the biological control of the pests, called sex pheromones. And for this biological control methods, examples, it is 7,8-epoxy to methyl octadiene from gypsy moth. So this gypsy moth will secrete this methyl octadiene, which will attract the next, opposite sexual female or male insect. And finally, coming to the chemical methods, pests are controlled by using chemical pesticides. That is, example, insecticides to control insects. And the example for the insecticides are DDT, Gamaxine, Parathion, Malathion, etc. And fungicides is control fungus diseases which affect the plants, and the examples for these are Bordiox mixture, chlorophenols, antibiotics, etc. And herbicides, it controls weeds, and it is 2,4-dichlorophenolic, acetic acid, sulfuric acid, etc. And rodenticides to control the rodents and rats, etc. And here they use warfarin, strychnine, red squill, etc. to control the rodents and rats. And so next, so this is the controlling of the pest from the pest to get an abundant yield and growth of the plant without any disturbances. And usually for the cultivation of the medicinal plants, the pest control is very, very important, since these plants are used for the raw material productions and herbal formulations. Hence the pest control is very important in the cultivation of medicinal plants. And thank you, students. So next we can come to another topic. Until then, bye.